Trust me, this is the cheesiest spicy macaroni you'll ever see.
First, cook the macaroni until perfectly soft.
Now let's start building the flavor.
Garlic first, this makes everything better.
This is where the magic color comes from. Let's add some juicy chicken for extra flavor.
Let's add chili flakes. This will make the sauce rich and creamy. Just a little salt to balance the flavors. Now the pasta goes in.
Now the pasta goes in full of flavor. Let's mix it so every bite is full of flavor.
Time for the cheese. Fresh coriander on top and it's ready to serve.
If you love cheesy, spicy recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe.